And so today I'm going to be showing you my slimeatory, which you haven't saw yet. I got it for Christmas, and so yeah. So I tore my slimeatory, and it's actually called Shy Slimeatory. And also in the sign, if you look at it, the Y is backwards, because I wanted it like that. Don't know, different. I don't know. Okay, so let's get right on to the video. Okay guys, so here's my slimeatory. So you can see I have a table. This sticker right here is just a sticker where we got it from. It won't come back off. And then if you walk over here, we have my little chair. It goes up and down. And then if you walk over here, you see I have these 3 glitter glues that they don't work for slime, but you can also put glitter. And then right here, let me grab it. I can't grab it with a camera. It's like a little glitter. Let me get the other part. Okay, so we have my red glitter, orange glitter, yellow glitter, green glitter, light blue glitter, purple glitter, pink glitter, brown glitter, black glitter, silver, and white. So, let's go put this back. I had to organize this whole entire thing for you guys. So, and then over here I have my food dye. Green, yellow, blue, and red. I got 2 more packets of that behind it. And then if you come down here, I have, shape. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bottles of it. And then if you come here, I have containers. These 2 go together. That's a little container thing. And over here, I have the 8-ounce containers, which go together too. They're just different type of containers. Over here, I have my 16-ounce containers. And then you come down here, and then I have my small foam balls, which I'm almost out of. Oh, and my big foam balls. And then here I have some lotion for slime. And then here's some more containers. I have a lot of containers. And then if you walk over here, there's nothing. And then here I have my no clear glue, but it's fine. I got 3 gallons of white glue and this 1 liter, which I'm almost out of. And then over here I have some plastic spoons. Here's some hard mixing spoons, 2 big bowls. And then I have 2 empty bottles of Tide and 2 full bottles of Tide. And then you walk down here, and here is the slimes that I've made already. And also, I will be doing a video on reviewing playing with my slimes. So, just look at that. I'll probably come out right after this, because I'll be doing it today. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, don't forget to like it. And click that notifications bell if you're subscribed to know when I post. So, see you in my next time. Bye!